And Kai-Wei Tang is the new River Cats pitcher, and Johnson swings and bounces it foul off the facing of the first. Entered to play right field, and he replaces Gerard Encarnacion as that pitch is in for one run. It was earned on 3 hits. Kai-Wei delivers, and Johnson swings and misses. 95 on the fastball, and Johnson down on strikes. So 1 away, and Trenton Brooks is coming up next. So a good open for Kai-Wei. The strikeout totals, and we've talked about this, are back where they'd like them to be. And there are times where he struggles as that pitch is a strike. His 30th strikeout in 19 2/3 innings pitched is a swing and a bouncer to first. It'll stay fair and be gloved by Mann along the chalk line back of the bag. He'll take it 3 unassisted for out number 2. So 2 up and 2 down. And Jonathan Perlaza coming up. Tang has allowed 20 hits in 19 1/3 innings. 15. There's the pitch, and it is a strike on the inside corner to Perlaza. The 0-1, a swing and a flare into left, and that's going to be a base hit for Perlaza, who goes the opposite way. So he denies Tang what would have been the first clean inning tonight for the River Cats. Bach, who made a terrific play right up against the tarp to get it, as that's outside. And ball 1 to Ornelas. 4th River Cats pitcher tonight, as that pitch is a breaking ball missing off the outside, and it's 2-0. Here's the 2-0, and a swing and a rocket foul off to the right, as Ornelas sank his teeth into that. But onto the grass it went. Pitch and a swing and a pop-up. And this is going to be to shallow left toward the line, and in comes Daniel Johnson. He makes the catch, and that ends the inning. El Paso leading 8-5. And the pitch on the way, swung on and missed by Mondu. Kai-Wei Tang. Mondu is 1 for 2. And a swing and a miss makes it 0-2. Tang's 0-2, and it's outside. 1 ball, 2 strikes. Bullpen. A swing and a foul off the facing of the first base dugout. Harold Chirino, beg your pardon. 1 ball, 2 strikes, and it's on the way. And a swing and a miss. Mondu strikes out to begin the top of the 9th inning. And for Kai-Wei, that is his 2nd strikeout. Brasso is. Here's the pitch. And it is in tight, ball 1. A's. As that was one of the Bill King rules, as that pitch is a strike swinging, they appeal a check swing on a wicket, because that would be redundant. Here's the 1-1, and a swing and a foul back of home plate, and now 1-2. Here's the 1-2, and a swing and a ground ball pulled to third. It's going to be taken by Arbach. A crow hop and a throw to first to get Brasso for out number 2. He's 0 for 4 with 3 strikeouts, and that pitch taken for strike 1. It's looking. Here's the 0-1, and it's low and away, and 1 ball and 1 strike. It's on the way, and a swing and a foul back of home plate off the equipment of Kisner. Oh, and off the mask again of the home plate umpire, Jeremy Riggs. He's had to. The 1-2, a swing and a bouncer to second. It's going to be taken by Basabe. He'll throw to first easily to get Duran. And Kai-Wei Tang works the first.